This tutorial review will show you how to remove bad content from Instagram. Open your Insta application and tap on your profile. Tap at the bottom right. Tap on this hamburger menu at the top right. Then select Settings and Privacy. Tap on the search box and type here Suggested. And tap on Suggested Content. Tap on Sensitive Content. To remove bad content from your Instagram feed, you have to select here Less. And then you won't get any bad content in your Instagram. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to Tutorial River. See you in the next video.